Welcome back to Speak English Easily, the definitive platform designed to help you achieve fluent, natural, and confident English communication. I am your host, and today we are breaking down the exact techniques you need to elevate your speaking skills without stress or confusion. If you're serious about mastering the English language and unlocking new professional and personal opportunities, ensure you click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let us begin today's lesson. Today we will learn 5 English phrases that make you sound more professional. A simple workplace story for beginners plus working professionals. So today's mission: learn phrases, understand the situation, use it today. So friends, here we'll take a situation, and as per the situation, we'll explain the phrases so that it can very easy for you to make understand and you can use it in daily practices, daily mailing, daily work professions. So let's start. Here the story. The story begins a Monday morning meeting. So meet Ria. She is new to the team. Her manager says, Manager Ria, can you finish this report by 3 p.m.? Okay. There's a meeting on Monday morning and Ria is a new team member. So manager is asking Ria, Ria, can you finish this report by 3 p.m.? Now the Ria's reply, Ria wants to sound professional, but she does not want to say only basic. Okay, so there are two options for Ria. Either Ria can speak in basic English, otherwise she can use a professional tone. So which one will be better? Let's see. Either Ria can say yes, I can. Okay, so basic, and if you listen it, you can say it is an unprofessional. But if Ria says in this way, absolutely, sir, I'll have it ready by 3 p.m. Can you get the tone? It is complete difference. It shows that it is a profession and it is basic English. So always we have to use the professional tone so that we can improve our communication skills. So this is the way. Now phrase number one is absolutely, I'll have it ready by. Absolutely, I'll have it ready by. So there are lots of examples for it. Suppose your boss asks you to do some work, to give some file or do some extra work, then you can say in this way, absolutely, sir, I will have it by this time. I will do it by this time, right? So this is the first phrase. Absolutely, I will have it ready by. Okay. So do practice it and get ready it for your daily mailing meeting so that you can be attractive in your profession. Let's see. The next one is phrase number two, when you need clarification. Now situation is there. If we come to the story, suppose manager has asked Ria to do something. Now Ria may not be understand clearly what she has to do. So she needs some clarification. In this case, she can ask directly. How? I don't understand. Explain it again. She can say in this way to her manager, Sir, I don't understand. Explain it again. It looks unprofessional, unprofessionalism, right? So if we say it in a professional tone, and you can use the phrase, could you clarify? Could you clarify? Could you clarify? You can listen this sentence, how it can become a polite sentence. Could you clarify what you mean by this? Could you clarify what you mean by this? Definitely manager will make understand, and he will give the details about this topic. Why it works? The reason why it works. Could you clarify? Sounds polite, confident, and useful in meeting, emails, and customer conversations, right? So if you don't understand something, you can use this phrase, could you clarify? Could you clarify? Could you clarify? So you have to practice again and again so that you can use it in daily practice, daily your conversation. Quick practice. Could you clarify what you mean by the final version, or any other topic it may be? Suppose you are not able to understand what was he saying, you can also repeat the same thing. Could you clarify what you mean by this topic? Okay, so hopefully you can understand the importance of this phrase. Let's other phrases. Here we'll discuss about 3 to 5 number phrases. Three small upgrades. Three small upgrades. Share an idea. Definitely what happened now, Ria is sitting with her boss. Boss has given her a task, and she asking her boss to clarify what is the topic about, and she already informed her boss that she will provide by 3 p.m. with the using the phrase definitely or absolutely, right? So now share an idea. Now Ria has some idea to provide her boss. In basic language, what will happen? In basic English, will say or she will say, I have an idea, sir. I have an idea, sir. Right? Or I have an idea. But in a profession, if you approach something to your boss, you can say in a professional way, I would like to suggest an idea, or I would like to suggest an approach. Right? I would like to suggest an approach. How much professional it looks, you can see, right? So where you have to use it when proposing a solution without sounding too forceful. That means you are giving an approach to your boss. You are not saying to do, just you are approaching something. Then what will happen? Your boss will understand your professionalism, and he will think about it and will guide you. Either it will be good or bad, right? So that's good option to provide an idea to your boss. Number 4, disagree politely. Suppose your boss has given an idea or any instruction to do, but you are not agree to do it, but you are not able to say directly. Okay, so you have to do something in a basic way. What happens? A basic student do it. I don't agree. Or he or she can use this sentence. I don't agree. Sir, I don't agree with this. What will see here? You are not agree with your boss. What will happen? There will be conflict. So in a professional way, you can say the same thing. See in this way. Sir, I see your point. However, I have a slightly different view. Okay. Now what will happen? Sir, I see your point. However, I have a slightly different view. What will happen? Your boss will understand that you got understood your boss idea. Now you have a different idea which you want to approach to your boss. Now boss will ask, what is this? It's a good opportunity for you. You will explain that this is this. So why should you do this? Because respect first, disagreement second. First of all, you have to respect your colleagues, your boss. Then you can provide your opinion. This is the way in a professional environment, so that you can make yourself a professional person. Okay, professional tone, professional attitude. Now the last one, buy some time. Now see from starting, if we see Ria will complete a task by 3 p.m. Now she has some idea and she has some disagreement with that. Now she finalized that she will do XYZ task by 3 p.m. Right? But she needs some time. Okay, she needs some time. Suppose this may be the example, or you can say, suppose somebody has asked you, but you don't know that thing. So you need some time to decide about it. So you have to say in basic way, wait, I need time. Okay. Wait, I need time. Completely unprofessional tone. But in the same thing you can mention in a professional way. Let me look into that and get back to you. Wow, let me look into that and get back to you. That means you don't know, but it will take some time and you will provide that information. Okay. Why we need to do a great phrase for meetings and emails. This is the way to talk. That's why we have to use this polite and professional tones. Definitely, if you use these, you will be a professional, and you can see in your colleagues, in your office, you will be the number one person in a professional way. The secret, professional English is often about tone, not typical vocabulary. Okay, some people can think that a person who can speak difficult words, extraordinary words, he is the professional. No, never. Only thing is that your tone should be professional. Okay, that's the way we should understood to use the professional tone. So Ria's 30-second challenge. Imagine this situation. Your manager asks for an update. You need clarification, want to suggest an idea, and need more time. So how will you say? Your answer, absolutely. I have it ready by, or I will ready by 3 p.m. I'll have ready by 3 p.m. Could you clarify one point? I would like to suggest an approach and let me look into the final details and get back to you. This should be the answer. So today's action, say these 5 phrases aloud 3 times, then use one of them in a real conversation today. So my dear friend, mastering a language requires consistent practice. And every lesson you complete brings you one step closer to complete fluency. If today's video provided value to you, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. For your next step, watch the video on your screen right now to continue sharpening your skills. Thank you for learning with Speak English Easily, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.